The nation's daily COVID-19 tally stood at the lowest level for this year at less than 300. With social distancing measures taken down a notch for businesses outside of the greater Seoul area, it remains to be seen if the same can be done for the highly populated capital region. Yeonseung helps us look beyond the digits.
The South Korean government will announce this Saturday whether it's going to ease social distancing nationwide. This comes as South Korea on Monday saw 289 new coronavirus cases, the first time in 77 days that the country has reported fewer than 300. But even with the daily number of cases declining overall, the health authorities are not letting their guards down because of the local emergence of the fast-spreading variants.
There's a risk of the virus variant spreading to local communities as the number of variant cases rises. There have now been 54 cases, primarily from overseas.
But as the fight against COVID-19 continues, local businesses are bleeding money. The hardest hit have been singing rooms and pubs, whose businesses would normally peak after 9 p.m.
Last year's net profit from March to December was down 90% compared to the same period in 2019. But we have it easy. I know 2 people in Seoul district who've had to close up shop. I also know some who've taken on delivery jobs.
In response, the government on Saturday has already taken social distancing down a notch in the regions outside the capital area. Establishments in these places can now stay open until 10 p.m. But the Greater Seoul area will stay at level 2.5 until Sunday the 14th. When the Lunar New Year holiday ends. Some, in protest of the measures, are refusing to turn their lights off even after 9 p.m. But the government says that the nation is still in a precarious state and that the current measures are inevitable. Yeonseung, Arirang News.